Hi everyone, it's Katie, and if you can't tell right now, I've just done a video on the Wonder Whip pomade. Got it right over here. I am unboxing, well, it's not really unboxed, I've already opened them, but got 2 packages from SHEIN. I do need to wipe off these eyebrows because they ain't budging, they ain't coming off. I will be back in a second, and that'll be after I've wiped this off. If you can't tell, that won't come off. I've tried to rub it up, and I've literally just spent like ages trying to get this off. My skin is going red. So if you want a long-lasting pomade, get that one. We're gonna do the eyebrow dye first because I'm actually scared of putting eyelashes on. It's a fear of putting eyelashes on, right? You can see on the screen the product ID and the product itself. That's it. This product is not intended for the use of persons under the age of 16. Oh well. Oh, snazzy. What is that? Why is the gloves? It hasn't got any sort of instructions. Oh, I've got some more spoolies. So we've got 5. I need to be able to count spoolies. Love spoolies. But like a tiny little Q-tip thing. Have you seen that? And I've got a huge one. What is this? Girl, what is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this already. Look at that. Definition. Oh, and we've got the gloves. Look, whose hand are these to measure? Other than all the stuff we've just shown you, we've got a weird bowl. There's a bowl. What is this? We've got a little brush to paint on the black dye. Eyelash and brow dye. Well, what the hell is this? Why doesn't it have instructions? We're gonna go for it. So this is not an honest review anymore because I don't actually know how to do this. I'm gonna regret doing that, aren't I? It smells like dye. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What is that? That should be a no. Why does my eyebrows feel like that? What have I done? What I've done something. I've done something wrong. I'm guessing you mix these 2 together and get a little skippity-doo. Right? Don't mix them together. I am unsupervised and I don't know what I'm doing. Why am I using the little comb? No. Why did I put it on my... I don't know what I'm doing. If you didn't hear that, it's because I started singing Dora the Explorer. Sorry. You didn't get to hear my amazing singing. What do I do for a leftover? Did I put too much in? Oops. How long do you usually wait? Right. To avoid having a panic attack, I'm gonna clean up my room, figure out where I'm gonna put all of this stuff, probably clean up a little bit, and I'll be back. So, bye! If you can't tell, it did nothing but stain my face. I'm gonna get one of my old ones. I'm just gonna, give it a little switch. What did it do? It did nothing. We're gonna see if we can fix it by just so you know, that is not heat protective spray. It used to be, but I put water in it. I hate it. Right. this is the end of part 1 of the SHEIN review. In part 2, we will be doing... I will probably redo my eyebrows because I don't know what the hell has just happened. Love you! And I'll see you in the next video. I love you so much. You mean so much to me. Oh my god! My fingers are all black. This dye is killing me. I'm gonna turn into Venom. This eyebrow's out. Well, I don't know why I spent £7 on this. I mean, it's definitely when my eyebrows look darker than the way, but what is this? I mean, I think I was just expecting it to be better, even though it's from SHEIN. Anyway, love you. Mwah. And I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know why I said I'll see you tomorrow. I probably won't. I mean, after recording all of this, I might cry and never come back, but